my work. That's one of the places I built the pool there. We're gonna try to go see it.
I've been actually reading Deer Island ordinance about setbacks and stuff.
Yeah.
Ordinances are so hard to me because people can just like make us
Gregory. I know, a little sponge. So I'm doing it. According to Clue.